Why will you say that I am mad?
I didn't say that.
How then am I mad? Observe how calmly I can tell you of the idea that entered my brain. You see, gradually I made up my mind to take the life of the old alligator.
Well, there you go. Now you do sound mad.
I love the old man. He had never wronged me. He had never given me an insult. But I think it was his eye.
His eye?
Yes, it was his eye. He had the yellow eye of a vulture with a film over it.
Not really a good reason for murder.
But I've been cautiously planning this for, at least 14 or 15 minutes now. And you fancy me mad.
And so begins the story of the Telltale Heart.
Good evening, my old friend.
Wait a minute. You're not gonna murder me, are you?
Oh, no, of course not. What would give you that idea?
Well, because every night for the last week, at about midnight, you stick your head in my room and stare at me for hours. You perv.
Oh, I was just looking at that vexing evil eye of yours.
I have glaucoma, so back off.
It doesn't mean I want to murder you.
You know, I think you want to kill me because that's what you keep saying.
Oh, I would never say that.
Well, I recorded it on my smartphone.
I'm going to kill the old man because of his vexing eye. Wait a minute, is that your heart? Why is it so loud?
I have angina!
Your hour is come, old man. Ha! I knew it. Ha ha! Well, that's done. The old man's eye will vex me no more. I killed him, and then I took up these 3 planks from the floor and deposited the corpse therein. Yes, that won't smell for a few days. Ooh, a bug. Got him.
Open up. 5-0.
Is that the door? Let me just get one more nail in. You're dead under there. Thank goodness for Lowe's and their easy install flooring.
How you doing?
Good evening.
Hello, we are 3 officers of the police.
Please, come in.
A shriek has been heard by a neighbor during the night.
Oh, you see, the shriek, it was my own. I was having a dream.
Isn't there an old man who lives here too?
He is absent from the country.
You know, I once took a class over the phone to tell if people are lying, and I know for a fact that everything that you said sounds reasonable and not suspicious at all.
Please, search the house if you wish.
That's not necessary. Thank you very much for your time.
Sounds like the heartbeat of an old alligator.
Hey, you remember that song, The Beat Is On by Gloria Gaynor and the Orlando Sound Machine?
I believe it was Gloria Estefan and the Miami Sound Machine.
Well, apparently, I was listening to another sound machine.
You hear it, don't you?
I bet it's tinnitus. My brother's wife's son's paternal grandmother had and it was terrible.
Your brother's wife sounds paternal. You mean your mother?
Yeah.
You are all making a mockery of my horror.
Well, nothing seems suspicious here.
Yeah, sorry to disturb you. We'll be on our way now.
You suspect, don't you? That sound, it's growing louder.
Have a good one, everybody. You too.
Louder, louder, louder.
Why are you yelling, sir?
Oh, fine, I admit the deed. Here, under the planks, in the floor. There you see it. The beating of that old man's hideous heart.
Sorry, that was me. I have a new heartbeat ringtone on my phone.
Hey, is it just me, or does that old man's eye vex anyone else?
Yeah.
That's what I've been saying.